Should you choose Chubb or Pitman Insurance? Choosing the right insurance provider depends on your specific needs, coverage preferences, and service expectations. Chubb and Pitman Insurance cater to different customer bases, and this guide will help you decide which one aligns best with your requirements. First, company overview. Chubb is a global insurance provider known for offering high-end coverage for individuals and businesses. It specializes in personal property, casualty insurance, and commercial policies. Pittman Insurance is a regional insurance agency with a strong focus on personalized service, mainly serving families and businesses along the Gulf Coast. 2. Financial strength and stability. Chubb is one of the largest insurers globally, with a strong financial position, ensuring the ability to handle large claims and provide stable coverage. Pittman Insurance operates on a smaller scale, but has maintained a strong local presence and reputation for reliability over the years. 3. Coverage options and customization. Chubb provides highly customizable insurance policies, including specialized coverage for high net worth individuals, businesses, and multinational clients. Pittman Insurance offers essential coverage options, including general liability, workers' compensation, auto, and property insurance, focusing on tailored solutions for local businesses and homeowners. 4. Claims handling and customer service. Chubb is known for its efficient claims processing with dedicated risk management support for policyholders. It provides a streamlined claims experience backed by strong financial resources. Pittman Insurance offers a personalized claims process with agents who work closely with clients to handle claims efficiently and provide hands-on assistance. 5. Digital experience and accessibility. Chubb offers a digital-first approach, allowing customers to manage policies, file claims, and access resources online through advanced technology. Pittman Insurance focuses more on direct in-person service, making it ideal for those who prefer working with a dedicated agent rather than handling everything online. 6. Availability and geographic reach. Chubb operates internationally, making it a suitable choice for clients with complex or global insurance needs. Pittman Insurance serves customers primarily in Baldwin and Mobile counties, making it ideal for individuals and businesses within that specific region. 7. Who should choose each? Choose Chubb if you want a globally recognized insurer with high-end coverage, strong financial backing, and a fully digital experience. Choose Pittman Insurance if you want a local, hands-on service with personalized insurance solutions tailored to the needs of Gulf Coast residents. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize global coverage and financial strength, Chubb, or personalized local service with a focus on community-based insurance, Pittman. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.